What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Ty Reacts, and today we're going to be reacting to ISHOWSPEED sets off fireworks in his room going wrong. Oh my god, this already sounds like it's about to be crazy, bro. Shoot, man. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you're new, man. Turn on that post notification bell, let you know every time I upload a video, and let's get into it, bro.
Now I ain't gonna lie, KSI seem cool. Doesn't he, chat? Doesn't KSI seem cool? Like, probably nice to meet him.
KSI.
He still doesn't get hoes though. That's crazy.
KSI is wild, funny and goofy and everything. He don't
doesn't
get
get no
hoes.
type of hoes, bro. That's actually crazy. Alright, let's go!
Okay.
I got a lot of fireworks right now.
Speed can't keep a girlfriend.
First one off! Let's like the Pikachu one, y'all. Let's like the Pikachu one, y'all.
Pikachu look nice. That firecracker look nice.
I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn, where the hell my lighter go? Where's my lighter? No. Where did I put it? Where? Alright! Pikachu!
No. No.
Stop!
Yo. Ma, it's Bobby on the bed.
No!
Yo, get out.
Oh shit! Mom!
It's finished.
Oh my god, Mom! Mom!
Yo.
Oh my goodness! No! No, it's not!
Imagine him actually lighting that box right there.
I didn't know! I thought Stop!
Turn that stream on!
I didn't know! I thought it was the popping ones, Mom!
I thought it was the popping ones. What? No, the popping ones is like the red ones, that you just light up and they just pop. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, you know. Speed knew what that thing was gonna do. He knew. If he would have lit that box right there, oh my god! Cause those are like the ones that just shoot out one by one, like go up and then go up like one, and then it just hit. Imagine that just hitting his ceiling. My guy would have been gone, bro. The whole roof, but oh my god, oh my goodness. When I seen it sparkled on the bed and stuff, I'm like, oh my god, bro. I'm in my head just saying, bro, get water. He's Mom. He like he just does things and he don't think about the consequence. Like, you're not supposed to light a firecracker in the house. Why would you do that? That's not smart. Now his whole family is going crazy right now because he did that. And oh my god, that's a whole box of firecrackers, bro.
Okay.
Room getting smoky. Got rapper shit on the floor. Where you gonna stream at now? I want to see the details in the room. I want to see how it look. Like, does it have like a burnt hole in the floor? Like, what did it hit besides like the floor? The floor gotta be fucked up. Cause it's spinning. It look like he slapped it.
Firework went out and it just like went boom.
Oh wow.
Like it just started boom. Look, just like flash.
It just went boom.
That's it. It just went out.
Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video, man. Oh my god, Speed is on a whole different level, bro. Speed needs to be stopped. He's funny at times, but that right there could have really fucked up his house. Like, oh my god, like, who likes firecrackers that size in a house? Why? It's Speed. I show speed. Crazy, man. But man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you like what you've seen, post it. Hit that notification bell button. It'll let you know every time I make a new video, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.